Do you need to fill a basketball hoop or heavy bag base with a bunch of sand to weigh it down? These plastic bases often come with a hilariously small fill hole. That works if you're filling it up with a hose and water, but if you're trying to pour a bunch of potentially wet sand through a tiny portal like this, you'll be at it for days. I tried a few pours with a little funnel and quickly realized that this was not going to cut it. I had 6 bags of sand, 300 pounds in total, so I had to try something else. I picked up a 3.5-inch pipe end plug for $8, handmade and hand delivered by Mr. Bezos. We're going to make this hole in the plastic base bigger and use the end plug to seal it up once we're done. I took my jigsaw and started to cut in. Then my pea brain realized I should probably measure the size of the hole that I needed, so I traced around the end plug to guide the rest of my cuts. I slowly made it larger and larger, testing the end plug throughout until it fit nice and snugly in the new hole. I took out the plug, started pouring in the sand nice and neatly, this time getting through all of the bags in minutes instead of days. The larger hole also allowed me to periodically push the sand towards the back of the base to make room for each subsequent pour. Once all of my sand was in, I popped the cap back in place and tightened it up, which pushed it firmly against the sides to close it up. And that was it. Hope this video saves you some precious time, and have a great day.